So hey guys, in today's video I am going to show my real-time web stories traffic and real traffic of my one Google web story that shoot up my all the traffic in the analytics. For that you have to see into my analytics account and I will show you my yesterday traffic, which is very good and very much according to me. So for that let's come to my screen and you can see here this is my real-time traffic, which is approx 17. When I click to real-time report, you can see here this is my traffic from majorly from India, and if you want to know my earning also from this traffic, please comment below. I will show you my earning from this traffic also. If you come back to here and see my yesterday traffic, then you can see here when I will go to audience overview, and then you can see here this is the sudden boost up in my traffic due to Google Web Story. I am using Google Web Story official plugin as well as Make Stories plugin, but this is the traffic of my Google Web Stories official plugin, not a Make Stories plugin. When I come here and click on yesterday traffic, you can see this is my real time yesterday traffic and it is majorly from the country. I will show you. This is from India and only 1.25% is from USA and various others country, but majorly my traffic came from India, and due to which earning is low. But if you want to know how much money I earn from this Google Web Story, please comment below. I will also create a separate video on the Google AdSense earning of this Google Web Stories. And you can see here this is my Google Web Stories traffic approx 2800, and you can see this is the sudden jump from the Google Web Story I published. If you come back here and see, this is my current traffic. If you want to learn how to create Google Web Stories from scratch, you can get the link of playlist in the I button. In this playlist, you got 3 videos where you can learn how to create Google Web Stories from scratch and how you can purchase hosting, domain. Complete guide is provided in this Google Web Stories playlist. Please watch them. And if you have any doubt, please comment below in this video.